Alright.
What? Is it doing it?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my god, I thought Megan grew like 25,000 feet. I was like, whoa! This is fun, I liked it. It's all shaky though. Say hello!
Hi.
What do you wish for your birthday?
Nothing.
That's such a lie. That's the biggest lie in the world.
Connor!
Stephanie, what do you wish for?
Nothing, I really didn't.
You swear?
Yeah.
On my life.
Yeah.
Don't swear on my life, I'll die.
Oh.
Cause you're lying.
I'm not lying.
What a fib.
I didn't wish for anything.
You didn't wish for not one thing, you don't want anything in the world.
There's a dinosaur in my room.
Oh my god.
John was missing.
Well, wish her right now.
This was last year. My friend
Hold on.
come up and dumped him in.
This is gonna take a while.
This is fun.
I know.
Think.
You look like nothing happens at your school. Oh my god, my
I don't
friend.
know.
That's a lie.
Lie.
I probably look really bad on this camera right now, but that's a lie. That's a lie. You don't wish for anything in the whole world. Not one thing. You so want to say something, but you're not saying it. Oh my god! Megan!
What?
Stephanie's stupid.
Those puppies are so cute. Thanks, Justin. What?
Justin! Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Your name's, dead. It's like totally metal.
What?
Glass.
What?
No, she walked away.
Throw it at me. See what happens. That's if. That's if.
Hey, no.
Stephanie, you better keep thinking. Hey, turn this off. Megan, I don't know how to turn this off. Good, I'm gonna break it.